Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 112. My name is Michael McCarville, and we are going to build kit number 2005. This is a Best Trains kit. This is a chicken fattening pen, and the prototype's in the upper right-hand corner if you want to see what the real one looks like. Really simple kit. It's not very large. It would be a great intro to Craftsman kits, but laser cut pieces. The front piece is that lattice kind of picket fence looking thing. It's got four doors in it, and then metal roofing on this one. You got to provide your own roofing. I decided, since my last kit I did was corrugated metal, I was going to do tar paper, and the contents of this are laser cut pieces. Then there's just the basics instructions. Then there's a weathering wood pamphlet, and then kit specific steps. Obviously it's not a big kit, so there's not a lot of steps in there. All these kits are very simple to put together and make great starting projects or evening projects. So if you got a farm scene, this would fit right in. I want to thank Brian from Best Trains for allowing me to feature this kit in our video series, and let's get started. We're going to go through and do a parts overview real quick, and then every single step that you go through for the kit is photographed, and then we'll do a once around when we're done and wrap it up at the end. So let's get started. Okay guys, simple kit, evening project, and if you drag it out like I always do, maybe 2 evenings. So once again, thanks Brian for allowing me to feature this kit, and on to the next one. We'll see you guys, and happy modeling. See ya.